Start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, friend. Welcome to my YouTube channel, How to Learn. Friends, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Today we learned about the network. What is network? Two or more than two computers are connected together with the purpose of sharing data and resources is called network. What is troubleshooting? We can say the checkup of computer, and we can say the solve out the problem of computer. The definition of network troubleshooting. Network troubleshooting is the collective measures and the processes used to identify the fault and solve the problem is called troubleshooting. Friends, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, How to Learn. Thank you for watching my video.